Hello student, welcome to 7th standard social class. The advent of Europeans to India. Now just take a recap. You already learned in the previous class. In today's session, we should learn the English. In the beginning, English followed peaceful trade as their policy, but they took advantage of the deteriorating political situation of India to establish their political supremacy. The merchants of England who aspired to have trade with Eastern founded the East India Company in 1600. When did establish East India Company? The East India Company established in 1600. They established trade links with India with the permission of Queen Elizabeth. In the beginning, East India Company ships were anchored at Surat port. Sir Thomas Roe visited the court of the Mughal Emperor Jahangir in 1615 CE and obtained permission to trade in Surat. Later, trade centers were established at Agra, Ahmedabad, and Bhuj. After this, they established trade centers at Calcutta, Madras, and Bombay. Calcutta was their first capital. Gradually, the profit of the East India Company increased notably. They obtained permission to trade without any tax in the Bengal province, the present Bengal, Bihar, and Odisha, and in Agra from the Mughal Emperor Farooq Shiara. These measures enabled to British to gain more strength. The license issued to the British traders to conduct tax-free trade were known as Dastakata. In order to improve their strength, the English built forts around their residential areas and trade centers. They employed soldiers to protect their establishments and also stocked arms and ammunition in a very short time. The English had a strong army. Now let's learn about French East India Company. French were the last among Europeans to reach India for trade. They established French East India Company in 1664. When did French East India Company established? French East India Company established in 1664 CE. In India, the French opened their first warehouse at Surat in 1668 CE. Within a short time, they established their trade centers in different parts of India. French trade centers. They opened their trade centers at Pondicherry, Machilipattanam, Calicut, Mahe, Karaikal, and Chandranagara. Pondicherry was the capital of the French. Dupleix, the governor of the French, strengthened the influence of French in Hyderabad and Carnatic regions east of Tamil Nadu. With this clever diplomacy, many battles took place between the French and British, and they are called as Carnatic War. Causes for the decline of the French. French army commanders in India were not given complete support by the government of France. Second one, political confusion and revolutions took place in France. This led to their decline in India. French navy was not superior to the English navy. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Now just take a recap. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನಂತ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಲೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್. Now homework time. Thank you students. See you in next video.